Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by converting the layer to a smart object so changes remain reversible. Open the image and duplicate the background. You keep an untouched reference. Once done, do a quick one zoom to evaluate the blur type, motion versus soft to focus, because the next steps differ in parameter emphasis. Make sure to remove any heavy noise with a light denoise pass first. The shake reduction filter performs best on cleaner data, and that prepares you for precise correction. You go to Filter Sharpen Shake Reduction and let Photoshop analyze the blur trace automatically. If the result is off, set sampling boxes over the most blurred area and tweak the blur trace length and angle to match the motion path. This aligns the correction with how the blur occurred. Once done, increase smoothing slightly to reduce artifacts while watching fine detail recovery. Make sure to toggle preview to compare before and after, and repeat with different sample boxes if blur varies. You finalize by refining with masks and subtle sharpening layers. Add a layer mask to the smart filter and paint back only corrected regions, preserving intentionally soft areas. Then, if you need more micro contrast, duplicate the smart layer, apply a 13px high pass and set blend mode to overlay at low opacity. Once done, flatten a copy for export. If artifacts appear, reduce shake reduction strength, blur the mask edge, or isolate correction with smaller sampling box.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.